Due to careless driving, many drivers have unintentionally caused unforeseeable accidents. Moments of distraction, slow reactions, or impulsive decisions can lead to serious consequences on the road. In this video, we will clearly see the importance of careful driving and staying alert to avoid unnecessary situations. Let's learn valuable lessons together to ensure the safety of ourselves and everyone around us. A truck driver, after causing a collision, decided to flee to avoid responsibility. He sped up, trying to escape the scene, but in his haste, due to sudden braking and not wearing a seatbelt, the driver lost balance and unexpectedly slipped out of the driver's seat. The sudden fall caused him to stumble, but before he could regain control, the police apprehended him. The road repair material truck was parked across the road to carry out an emergency repair task. Suddenly, another truck came speeding and crashed straight into it, causing a severe collision. After an investigation, it was revealed that the driver of the second truck had been driving for many hours without rest, leading to fatigue and an inability to control the vehicle in time. It is likely that the driver fell asleep, causing the vehicle to lose control and plunge down to the lower lane. Fortunately, no serious collisions occurred. The driver of the involved vehicle was checked and found to be not seriously injured, but faced the issue of a damaged vehicle and had to wait for a tow truck. The incident caused a minor disruption in traffic, but did not lead to any severe situations. Two young children ran across the street without paying attention and narrowly missed being hit by a car. Fortunately, the driver of the car spotted them in time. Both the children and the driver were unharmed, and everyone became more aware of the importance of being vigilant while crossing the street. Two young men, driving at high speed and losing control, crashed into a parking lot, causing damage to several parked vehicles. After the severe collision, they quickly fled the scene to avoid being caught. Witnesses of the incident promptly called the police to investigate this behavior. driven by a distracted driver who ran a red light and entered the intersection. At that moment, another car was moving through the intersection on a green light and could not stop in time, resulting in a severe collision. Both drivers were shocked but were not seriously injured. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our videos. Click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as we release new content. Your support is our greatest motivation to continue creating engaging and valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your time with us. Moving through an intersection when the traffic light turned red. The driver couldn't stop in time and collided with a truck that was waiting at a green light. The severe impact caused both vehicles to be heavily damaged. Immediately, one of the vehicles caught fire, creating a large blaze. The driver and passengers quickly escaped to safety. The driver of the car lost control while traveling on the highway. Unable to manage the speed and direction, the car crashed into the median barrier between the lanes. The severe impact damaged the barrier and severely crumpled the front of the car. Fortunately, the driver and passengers were wearing seatbelts and were not seriously injured. Vehicles passing through the area had to reduce their speed to avoid the hazardous situation. A car crashed into a convenience store after the driver lost control due to a mechanical failure. The car's braking system malfunctioned, preventing the driver from stopping as they approached the store. The severe impact shattered the glass doors and caused damage to the shelves inside. Fortunately, no one was injured, but both the store employees and customers were shaken by the incident. Emergency responders and traffic police quickly arrived at the scene to address the situation and investigate the cause. Thank you for watching the entire video. We're delighted to share engaging and valuable content with you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our latest uploads. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as we release new content. Follow our channel to stay updated with exciting videos and useful information in the future. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next videos.